It's better than nothing.
Oh. Fine. Great. And don't think you're getting any dessert.
I couldn't sleep. I took a Sominex, but voices in my head kept saying, "Go to Seymour, talk to Seymour." I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on? Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour, Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God.
Your friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Oh, am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't Kansas neither.
Something is very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, dog. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
Favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branch, I'm a gonna honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady tonight.
Just no water, right?
Sure do I'll drink it straight.
Branches are dry, poor thing.
Don't need no glass, no
Yes,
ice.
you can.
Don't need no twist of love. And now it's supper time.